Why is it that airplanes never crash? Why is it that cars commonly do? Well, I fly a lot. I've had over 1,000 flights in the last 10 years, and it's because the pilots don't have to think. They're trained so well, and drivers, you might notice, are thinking, and they're not trained that well. As a fearless agent, coaching student, you won't have to think. You will be dialed in. You'll always know what to do. When they say this, you say that. You'll always know what to think. You'll always know what to say. You'll always know what to do. And you won't care what the client thinks, and you won't care what the client says, and you won't care what the client does, because that's none of your business. Your business is what do you think, what do you say, and what do you do. But there's not going to be a lot of thinking when you're a highly skilled, fearless agent. So I want you, in any listing presentation situation, to always know what to do. I don't mean just to get the listing, I mean after you got the listing. I don't want you to have to wonder, how do I negotiate? There are just guardrails that we put in place, non-negotiable ideas we never violate. We never violate the principle of sales. You never, ever, ever talk commission until they're sold on the price. You never, ever talk price until they're sold on listing with you tonight. You never talk about you or your company until they're sold on the idea of using an agent in the case of a for sale by owner. So now that you know the facts and the reasons, assuming I'm the world's greatest agent, isn't it a pretty good bet that you'd be better off with an agent? Yeah, okay. They say yes. Now you go to the Fearless Agent listing presentation. There's the close at the end of that. If their answer's right, then you go to the Fearless Agent pricing presentation. You always know what to do. We take all the guesswork out of it. So if you happen to be earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, I want you to give me a call. Call me at 480-385-8810. I want to turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.